Chris Young, late nights and early mornings. Sunday morning, damn, I'm feeling so fine. Yeah.
Hello dear viewers, we are here in Latvia, Riga, waiting aeroplane. We must fly to New York. Excuse me, London.
Y'all can stick to the shade while I'ma go shine. Wishing every day felt like a Sunday morning. Stepping out the front of my coupe, feeling like I got something to prove. Feeling like I gotta jump in the booth. Some say I'm just a chump in his youth, but I'ma tell them keep on hiding while I'm dumping the truth. Let me put that in slow-mo. Time's feeling, but I'm feeling I'm so dope. I'm chilling while I'm
Me olemme lentämme
through the blinding light. Yeah, damn, I'm feeling so fine. People trying to stress me out, I give them no mind. Y'all can stick to the shade while I'ma go shine. Wishing every day felt like a Sunday morning. Okay, damn, I'm feeling so fine. People trying to stress me out, I give them no mind. Y'all can stick to the shade while I'ma go shine. Wishing every day felt like a Sunday morning. Witness me spitting the fitness. Heading to my homie's house, he's telling me hit this, but I don't need no help to get my head high. I feel lifted right when I'm leaving my bedside. Every day I instead fly. Walking ain't an option when you cop yourself wings. They say seeing is believing, but I ain't seeing a thing. I ain't seeing air you breathing, now I ain't seeing a breath. I guess it's just too damn deceiving, so I ain't agreeing yet. Morning, damn, I'm feeling so fine. People trying to stress me out, I give them no mind. Y'all can stick to the shade while I'ma go shine. Wishing every day felt like a Sunday morning. Damn, I'm feeling so fine. People trying to stress me out, I give them no mind. Y'all can stick to the shade.
I'm thinking way back to the recess days when we could have fun in a million one ways. Young and innocent, none of us knew the president, and Santa was the man, cause his toy supply was infinite. Reliving it with all the friends made, hanging out every day and meeting when the bell rang. Tried to behave, I remember each day, stupid things that I did from K to 12th grade. That life was all gravy, but lately I'm wishing I was 18. Got a lot more stacked on my plate, see, it's crazy. It's the end of the road where I call home. That life you know now. Now it's time that I pick my path. Do I get moving instead of working 9 to 5? Flying around the world every night, performing live. So I sit way back, try to paint it out. Living life on the road and what it's all about. All the paths I paved, is it the final route? I can't tell, but it is. Life's one long mystery. What will your mission be? It's the end of the road